what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Since a lot of you gave the feedback that you all like my pleasant presence more in the vlog than Rajat Mohindru, so I'm going to introduce the vlog today. I'm not doing it. What are you doing? I'm just like saying hi. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going out to do a challenge. I'm gonna feed you with the details of the challenge real soon, so just wait for it. There's my man, there's my man. It's a nice day, not as nice as the previous two vlogs क्योंकि वहाँ तो हमेशा ही ब्रेड पकौड़े और चाय का मौसम था, बट आज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे. So anyway, इंट्रोडक्शन तो व्लॉग का आर्यन ने काफी खराब कर ही दिया है उसके प्लेजेंट प्रेजेंस से. थोड़ा जोर से बोला यार, लोग कहते हैं तेरी आवाज नहीं आती व्लॉग में. We have, just like I've told you before, we have stepped out for a challenge. What challenge? For that I'll have to give you a context, for which I'll have to take you to last night. Something really crazy is happening here. Really crazy. Aryan, my brother Aryan, has become an artist. Now you have the context of what this challenge is. The challenge is not for me. The challenge is for Aryan. We'll find a spot in the city that Aryan inspires to draw. We'll obviously take a picture of that spot. We'll go to multiple spots for this process. And we'll go back home and Aryan will try and draw the exact same thing that we saw and spotted in the city. Now the question is, where exactly do you want to go? Also Aryan, we have to remember that Dad has given us some work. So let's go do that first. You wanna finish that? Okay. So we'll take a quick stop at Reliance. We'll buy a few things. My dad has asked me to get something. And then we'll start the challenge. Stay tuned. सारी ग्रोसरी रिलायंस से खरीदते हैं. ऑफ टू माई सेकेंड स्टॉप रिलायंस. वेयर अ मास्क वेयर एवर नेसेसरी ऑल द टाइम बिकॉज द डेंजर स्टिल एग्जिस्ट्स. हमेशा नाक को कवर, ऐसा नहीं पीछे बाल लिया ऊपर कर लिया. Now we'll quickly drive around the city, find a spot. I'm saying, let's go to KMP.
KMP तो नहीं public में मिलेगा. Let's go to Panchvati.
So guys, instead of strolling around the city, what we can do is we can go to Panchvati. For those of you who are from Palwal, you guys would know what Panchvati is. But for others, Panchvati is a temple in Palwal, around which there's a forest department. In that forest department, there's a really nice, pretty water body surrounded by some trees. So we are going there. So while we were on our way, Aryan stopped and he looked at this view that he likes. So I'll just show it to you guys how it looks like if both of us mutually settle for it. Then we'll just do this. Otherwise, we'll stick to our OG plan. We'll go to Panchvati. So this one spot that Aryan had liked, we have stopped on our way. I'll show to you guys as well. Aja. Did you click a picture?
Yeah, I clicked a bunch.
You clicked a picture of the spot. So now we are heading to the Panchvati Forest Department. That's another beautiful spot which was introduced to me by another friend of mine. So we'll just go there. I'm very much hopeful that we'll find something really nice that this guy would want to draw. so we are almost in the vicinity. I think वहाँ से लेना है, उस वाले लेन से. फिर उसको लगा मैं उसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे वीडियो में आ गया. So funny. So we are passing the road. I had the front cam on. There were these 4 random strangers. They were drinking in the car, and they thought I was recording them. And they were drinking, and also they were doing like holding their glasses in their hands and doing things like. So funny.
गली में तो नहीं है.
We have spotted that place. It's right there. Can you see those trees, guys? The big ones? Those trees. Right there.
केयर सिंह रावत.
Like I've lived in Pallu for the longest of my life, and for a very long time I didn't know about this place until this friend of mine introduced me to this place. Watch for monkeys, हाँ बंदर है यहाँ पे. Decide किया क्या बनाएगा?
I'll make a sunset out of this. Focus on the sky so the trees look black. That would make my job a little easier. And then like I'll make the water body down there. I haven't thought about the colors of the water body because this is obviously not fresh water.
He decided what he's going to drawing. Now we'll head back home, and whenever sir wants he'll start drawing because उनका एक artist inspiration जो होता है ना वो पता नहीं कब आता है, बट जब आता है तो ये कुछ बना देते हैं भाई साहब. गर्मी बहुत है. पानी पड़ा है ना गाड़ी में. See, I told you guys, it's very important to stay hydrated. It's summer time, and while you are staying hydrated, also, while these guys are staying hydrated, they should also do what?
Stay safe.
No,
Practice
subscribe to my channel.
Farewell my friends. ये सच सब चलान काट रहे हो.
Talk about the servant who enticed. As the Lord he giveth
So step
and
over.
he spitteth
He stops you and he's like, sorry to bother you sir, but your outfit is too fresh for this road.
पता क्या बोलेगा? अब भाई साहब बाहर निकलो पहले तो तुम ये क्या रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो?
उसके बाद कागज मांगे हो.
उसका कहेगा कागज है ना? है मुझे याद है. अरे इसमें से आरसी भी निकालियो यार, मुझे वो भेजनी है पॉलिसी बाजार वाले. मुझे लगता है रोकेंगे, मास्क के लिए रोकेंगे गाड़ी में.
Talk about the servant who enticed. As the Lord he gave. Talk about the servant who enticed. As the Lord he gave.
They stopped us and I thought it's too absurd to stop somebody who's going in a car without wearing a mask, but
उनका लॉजिक ठीक था. वो बोल रहे थे कि तुम 2 लोग बिना मास्क के गाड़ी में हो, तो इनफैक्ट और ठीक भी है. आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी गुड दैट दीस गाइस आर टेकिंग.
yeah, I'm glad they stopped us.
There were 5 policemen standing there. They actually stopped us. Aryan couldn't take the footage of it.
I was scared, yeah. I was very scared.
नहीं, but it's a good thing that's it's happening. चलो घर चले भाई साहब अब.
हाँ चलते हैं, बहुत एडवेंचर हो गया.
They stopped us because we were not wearing a mask. And my logic was that the like if I'm in a car, why am I required to wear a mask? But he told me that we were 2 people in the car and precautionary measures are important. He didn't charge me, he didn't fine me for it, he let me go. First offense. But good to see. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave your feedback in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna sign off for now, but I'm gonna see you guys super soon on my next vlog.